For Tuesday plenary session, the Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku, don announce say dem don receive official letter from All Progressive Congress APC wey inform the House say 4 lawmakers don join the party. The Speaker come acknowledge the change and wish the lawmakers wey move to APC all the best. The lawmakers wey port from PDP enter APC na Honorable Bright Iyamu, Honorable Donald Okogbe, Honorable Sunday Ojizeli, members wey dey represent Oriomon 2, Akoko Edo 2 and Eastern South East respectively, and Honorable Richard Edosa, member wey dey represent Oredo West, port from Labour Party to APC.
I am in the receipt of a letter from the office, the state office of the All Progressive Congress State Secretariat, about 20 Road, off Boundary Road, Obilisity. The letter is addressed to the Speaker of the Edo State House of Assembly. Subject: notification of APC's majority status in the Edo State House of Assembly. Dear Mr. Speaker, I write to formally notify you that the All Progressive Congress APC has attained majority status in the Edo State House of Assembly, following reflection of the following members hearing under them from their respective parties to APC. Honorable Bright Aiseboba Iyamu from Oriomon South Constituency have come from the All Progressive Congress. Honorable Richard Edosa, representing the Oredo Constituency, the LP Party, has also become from All Progressive Congress APC. Honorable Chief Sunday Ojizeli, Eastern South East Constituency, has also become from PDP to APC. Honorable Donald Okogbe from Akoko Edo Constituency has also become from PDP to APC. At the appropriate time, the party shall notify the office of the consequential effect of the present entity in the House. 3 members just had a letter circulated from the APC party in Edo State. So, going by this letter, it means the APC has majority in the House. I want to wish the parties well, and I wish them good endeavors. Thank you very much. Waiting for the letter from the APC for their nominees.
Sake of this defection, APC now gets majority for the House with 14 members, while People's Democratic Party (PDP) don't drop to 11 members, meaning say PDP now don't be minority. This change gets big impact on how political matters go waka for Edo State House of Assembly. The Speaker talk say the House go continue to focus on the stability of the legislature and make sure say the interest of the people go always come first, no matter the political party. The House come adjourn sitting to Monday 7th April 2025 for 10 o'clock for morning. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Edo State House of Assembly, Ekata Ojisele reporting for TMC TV.